Hello, I'm part of the Wellness Sanctuary of the Goddess Conference for the Earth Mother. My name is Susan Marie Paramore. I have been for many years a shaman, a witch and a druid. So I am offering several different types of treatments on the Wellness Sanctuary page. Guided meditations, which can be one-to-one or they can be in a group, where I take you on a journey and use vocalization, drums, my voice and Tibetan bowls. The other treatments are Tibetan bowl sound bathings, which can be in a group or separate. And I use all of my ancient bowls and my Tibetan gongs. Another treatment are Reiki, and so that is on a one-to-one basis, a 30-minute, unless requested otherwise. And the other one is a joining in drum and voice workshop. So if people have drums, we can all join in together and sing to the goddess. So do go on to the page. My name is Susan Marie Paramore, and have a look and see if there's anything that you'd like to try out. And I'd be absolutely delighted if you do. Blessed be.